Welcome to Bitcoin News Today with myself, James Winsoar. I've been trading Bitcoin now for over 3 years and I'm based in Nottingham, UK. I'd love to know what you like about these videos and what you would like to see more of or less of, so please let me know in the comments and give the video a thumbs up if you like the content. Please do subscribe as well for more videos from me. I'm trying to make one video every day. So here's what's been happening with the Bitcoin price since the beginning of March. We did see a bit of a decline and we did reach lows around about the 6th of April. It reached a low of $6,576, and since then we have seen a gradual increase in the Bitcoin value, and we're now trying to break through a barrier that really formed on the 25th of February. This strong resistance and support line was formed at around 9,677 to just below $10,000, which is a psychological barrier to get through. So we are expecting to encounter some resistance as the Bitcoin price does increase, and hopefully we will break through that $10,000 barrier. So let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think we will break through? If so, what date do you think we'll break through? Or will the price maybe bounce down? Look at the RSI. The RSI is quite low at the moment, and the MACD on the 1-day chart is high at 390. But possibly we can see it go up a little more. Probably it's going to maybe come down and then come up again. That's just my own opinion, not trading advice, and remember this video is for entertainment purposes only. So let's look at the news headlines. We've got a headline from Forbes. They're saying that gold could be replaced by Bitcoin. This comes from Glenn Chambers, a Forbes contributor. So this article talks about the different types of people who traditionally invest in gold, such as the people that believe that Armageddon is around the corner. Also, it raises a good point that governments do store gold. They have gold reserves for when their currency is not accepted, and the only thing that they can trade in is gold. But they point out that it can be very bad for the environment mining gold, even worse than mining Bitcoin. Bitcoin's often demonized because it uses so much electricity to mine Bitcoin. But remember, gold has a really bad effect on the environment as well, where gold is mined. And also Bitcoin is very easy to transmit throughout the world. It's as easy as sending an email, whereas if you want to pay somebody by gold, you really need to deliver that gold to them, which isn't always going to be easy. So good article there from Forbes. CCN, this is relating to the video I made recently where I mentioned that the 17 millionth Bitcoin was about to be mined. It's now been mined, which means there are only 4 million Bitcoin left to be mined. So the built-in artificial scarcity is believed to it should increase the price, because as there are less and less Bitcoin left to be mined, it means that people will have to transact with each other for those Bitcoin to be made available. So that should increase the price. Another positive article from CoinDesk now. They're reporting, this has been in all of the news really, about Warren Buffett saying that Bitcoin is more of a gamble than an investment, he believes.
Anything about it. So, you know, we don't have to know what cocoa beans are going to do or cryptocurrencies. We just have to focus on 8 or 10 stocks, the businesses basically that we think are decent businesses. But I do think that, I think what's going on definitely will come to a bad ending. I mean, you've got virtually everybody. I have a class, I have 11 schools coming on Friday. The questions will be on Bitcoin, and I won't know the answers.
Next article from the Independent, another one saying that Bitcoin will replace gold and hit $700,000. This comes from John Pfeffer, a partner at UK-based Pfeffer Capital, as I reported previously, and this is in the news again today. So another positive story to keep the Bitcoin price going up. According to MarketWatch, Bitcoin could make a run at $15,000, says one analyst. So we've got some way to go. As I mentioned before, there is that resistance level at 10,000, but if we do break through, it could go bullish. Again, let me know what you think in the comments. Final story from CCN, and by the way, do check the link in the video description where you can get $10 worth of Bitcoin free from our sponsors at Coinbase. Just click that link in the description to claim your free Bitcoin. So Comcast Ventures executive says there's real value in Bitcoin. So another positive story. Great for the Bitcoin price. I can see that we are going to see increases in the price very soon and hopefully break through that $10,000 psychological barrier. So this talks about leapfrogging centralized banking, the implications for blockchain when it comes to elections and voting, ICOs, and Comcast Ventures, the venture capital arm of Comcast, has already backed 4 blockchain startups from its main fund. So yeah, remember that as well as investing in Bitcoin, you can also invest in the companies around the blockchain technologies. So just a final look at the charts. I'm going to go to the 15-minute chart now to zoom in on the latest recent activity. So it's currently 7:30 p.m. on the 30th of April, and we can see that currently the Bitcoin price is rising. So hopefully we're going to get close to $9,400 where we were previously earlier on this morning, and then hopefully then break through to the next resistance line of $95.45. So let's watch this space. Good luck with your trading, and I look forward to seeing you again in another video very soon. Until then, bye for now.